Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 10. The migration that involves movement of people out of their own country is known as A. Emigration, B. Immigration, C. Seasonal migration, D. Urban-rural migration, E. Urban-urban migration. So we are looking at various forms of migration, and migration is what is the term used for movement of people out or in of a particular region. So we have emigration. Now, emigration refers to the process of leaving one's own country to settle in another. So that is emigration. And then immigration refers to movement of people into a country from another country. Now, C, seasonal migration, is usually a much more biological term, and it is used to refer to movement of any species. Like I said, it's mostly a biological term. So movement of species during different times of the year, so during different seasons, hence the name seasonal migration. Then option D, urban rural migration, refers to movement from an urban region to a rural region. And then urban migration refers to movement from urban region to another urban region. So from what we've seen here, we are asked for what is the form of migration, the migration that involves movement of people out of their own country, and we've established that emigration is the process of leaving one's country to settle in another. So the correct answer to this question is A, emigration. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.